Alrighty. So what you're looking there, are we recording there, brother?
Yep.
Alright, so what you're looking at there is an old burnout headlight with tungsten element inside there. That means the tungsten element's broke. It's burnt. Alright? There you go.
Can you see that, folks?
And he said, let there be light. Alright, one side of it is plugged into the dirt over there by a screwdriver. The other side, this is what I use for my vacuum spark gap. The longer you leave that on there, the brighter it'll get, and you'll notice it. Ah! I still got some juice left.
Well, how come you always do that when I have you off camera, so the people can't see you jump?
I didn't know if I was on there or not.
Do it again. I'll put you on camera.
I don't want to get shocked again.
You do it so much, I thought you liked it. Oh man, that was lit up too.
Yeah. So you're lighting up. Both of these bulbs are bad. The tungsten element one headlight lamp I use for a vacuum spark gap. It's burnt. It won't work in your normal system. And this light bulb right here, which is a fluorescent bulb, it won't work in your normal system. But here you go. They're both lighting up.
And with very, very little electricity.
Yeah. Both of them have gas, and both of them are in the vacuum. As long as that vacuum seal is never broken, these bulbs will last forever. And, you know, basically, I don't know why people would throw them in the trash, because you can see that even when they're supposedly no good anymore, you can still light them up. And that side ain't even grounded, but I ain't going to ground it.
That one's not even grounded?
Nope.
Holy cow.
Let me see if I can get a little wireless through the bulb itself. I don't know if this is possible. Nope. Can you see it lit?
Yep.
So that's basically what you do. One right after another. Ground on the other side. So you see a tungsten element, a fluorescent bulb, and these CFLs right here, even when they go bad, you see it.
You still light them up.
Watch this, you'll really like this if you like that.
Holy cow.
That's on the positive terminal, right?
It was just a single wire, no ground.
Yep, this is on the negative terminal.
Shazizz, I think you got something here.
So this has got a midpoint ground, so that's not actually grounded. That high frequency is actually running back into this battery. And what I've learned from doing that is that high frequency running into this battery is, number one, it's not going to blow this battery up. The battery still functions, you can see, because it's still running everything, right?
Right.
Well, most batteries end up going bad. I think it's the sulfate or something like that builds up on the plates.
Right.
All right. Well, that high frequency shakes it loose, so it's conditioning the battery while you're using it. So I got a battery down there that I haven't used for quite some time, but I've had it in there for several years, and it started off at only 11 volts, and then the last measurement was 13.5, I think. So the battery actually got better the more experiments I did with it. But you can see that's the positive terminal.
Now, the thing is, that deal you got down on the ground, the oil igniter, that's input is 12 volts, 4.7 amps.
Let's get a good, you can get a good view of that right there on your. Am I hold it steady enough?
Not really. Put it on the table.
Okay.
And that way, my camera will focus in on it.
Get this out of your way.
There it goes. There it goes, folks. You can read that. Whoops.
Now these things ain't cheap. They're like 60 to 80 bucks.
That's cheap enough for me.
But I bought this thing in a flea market for 30 bucks.
Why was it 30 bucks? Because it was used?
Because they didn't know what it was.
Oh, they didn't know what it was. Oh, man.
I knew what it was. As soon as I saw that, I said, sold.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
But there you go, brother. That's how it's done.
All right, kiddo.